Hello guys, welcome to our part 3 of JavaScript tutorial. So we ended up here. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna delete all this, and we say var equals to num1, which means number 1. Then we say num1 equals to we're gonna put a number, maybe we're gonna say 20, 10, and say var num2 equals to 20. Then we need a semicolon here and here. Then we go down and say var answer equals to, so we're trying to do some calculations here, and we say num1 plus num2. So and we're gonna say alert answer. Copy this and put it in here, and we save, and we really gonna do it. So what we're trying to do here, we do some calculations here, but we store 10 into num1, we store 20 into num2, we store answer, which is gonna be num1 plus num2 into, we store these two variables into this one variable, which is called answer. So we come here and we print out the results. So we save, let's go here, refresh our page, we can see the results is 30. So that worked perfect. So anytime you want to change this, you don't have to touch here, you just do this. If I say 120, and maybe here I say 320 here, so once you change here, this automatically change, and also once you change here, here this also change, and once you change here, this also change, and once you touch these two, 1 or 2, so this also change, because this is the answer which we get the result. So we save here and we come and refresh. You can see we have 440. So say okay. So guys, please don't forget to subscribe. Now you've learned how to do add two numbers using JavaScript. This is a very good basic good tutorial. So but anyway, if you want also to do something like multiplication, just change the sign here, and you save, and you do what, refresh here, you say, you can see we have 38,400. so that's the answer we get. So in case you want to minus here, you just change and say minus, then you save here and you refresh. You can say we're in negative 200, because if we say 120 we say what minus what 320, you see we have the 200, so we say 120 will remain with 200, which is going to be a negative. So that's the result, guys. Adding or minusing two numbers, this is how you do it in JavaScript. Guys, thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe. You can comment and ask for something. Bye.